Welcome to Insight Club. In this video, we are discussing the diploma program in value-added products from the fruits and veg. This mode is open distance learning. School is the School of Agriculture. Duration in 1 year. Medium is in Hindi and English. So you can do this course in both languages or whichever you want to choose. And the description is also given. You can read this description. So after the completing this course, what will you learn about this course? And eligibility is only 12th and equivalent. If you are 12th passed out, so you can do this course. Fee structures is 14,400 for full program, and the registration fees is 300 rupees, and the examination fees is additional. Program coordinator is Dr. Mukesh Kumar, and you can see this. Here are total 8 papers in this course. After completing the course, you will get 32 credits, and here are the regional center and study center details are given. And now, if you have other queries related to the course, accept these details. So you can contact us anytime on our WhatsApp, so that we will provide all the information on your WhatsApp or call. Thank you so much for watching.